Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a person who wears clothes that you think are unusual. You should say who this person is, how you know this person, what clothing he/she wears, and explain why you think his/her clothes are unusual.
There is a person who I occasionally see at the local park who dresses in a unique and eye-catching way. I don't know this person personally, but I have seen him around the neighborhood before. The clothing that this person wears is usually very bright and colorful, and he often mixes and matches patterns and textures in unexpected ways. He might wear a polka-dot shirt with plaid pants, for example, or pair of floral pants with a striped top. What makes this person's clothing stand out to me is that he seems to have a fearless approach to fashion and is not afraid to take risks with his outfit choices. He expresses his personality and individuality through his clothing, and I find that inspiring. While some people might view this person's clothing as unusual or even eccentric, I think it's refreshing to see someone who is so confident in their fashion choices and unapologetically embraces their own unique style. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.